Hey everybody, so we have a haul today. Want to get this knocked out so I can start peeling a gazillion potatoes and get them canned up. Got, I think, 3 different types of potato canning videos coming up, and some other ones that are on my list. If you remember, I made a list of videos, but I need to get these boxes unpacked and put away. So as you saw the other day, I've been doing the oats and they're starting to suction up. It can take 48 hours, if I didn't say that in the video, for your oxygen absorbers to suck out all the air. So I've got that bucket ready to put a lid on and put away. So let's get started, and if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. We have a lot of random videos over here, all food related and such in some way or another. Growing it, canning it, dehydrating it, cooking it, buying it. So anyways, get started with the easy stuff. We got a cheeseburger, macaroni and cheese. That's the one I like. Yeah, I know that stuff's not good for you. I got 2 boxes of the Hungry Jack mashed potatoes. Those are my favorite as far as instant potatoes go. We got a pad thai noodle kit. And then, have you guys seen these? It's tuna with lemon and dill and olive oil. So I thought I'd give those a try. I got some street taco sauce, asada, 3 cheese and garlic. I got some red taco sauce. I got some banana cream pudding, so that with a graham cracker crust and your dream whip, and freeze-dried bananas, not so much the dehydrated, and you can make a good banana cream pie. I got this 2-pound container of dehydrated onion. Speaking of dehydrated, I've got to dehydrate some cabbage, if you want a video on that. Some Spanish rice. Some Aunt Nellie's pickled beets. Hopefully I'll be pickling some beets. A jar of bread and butter pickles, just to have a backup to my backup in case my cucumbers, don't make many cucumbers or whatever can happen. Some pizza seasoning. It's still raining. Well, it's not raining right now, but it's supposed to storm again tonight. Some soluble seaweed supplement. This makes 385 gallons of fertilizer for your plants. It's 1,218. Seaweed, I have found, is really good for fertilizing plants, so I got that. On top of, I got a 40-pound bag of 10-10-10 for $20. So that was a good deal. I got some mayonnaise because that stuff's really cheap. I got 2 cans of this squeezy cheese. 2 cans of that. That's just kind of for a treat. I got a box of 120 quart freezer bags. We use a lot of baggies, and I've been trying to get everything packaged up and all the trash thrown away, because I was thinking, what if the diesel situation has an effect on trash pickup? That would be so bad. I got a 4-pound bag of sugar. And did you hear about the FDA pressuring, I believe it was the FDA, Goodyear, I think it is, to recall tires? And I will put that article down below. They keep recalling everything. I don't know, there's something fishy about that. This is a 3-way soil meter. It measures moisture content, helps you determine if your plant's getting adequate light, and helps you control your pH level in soil. So we'll see how that goes. So I've been composting and all those things. So let's see, let me move a few things. I got a case of, this is the Hormel smoked ham. And a case of white and dark meat chicken. I don't know if you can see that in there. This one's sealed up pretty good. It's too hard to get out. I got 3 bags. It came as a set in 3 of the Tide Free and Gentle. It's the perfumey stuff, has a tendency to activate my asthma. And then I got the 18 bag of chips for with lunches or whatever snacks. It's cheaper to buy this way these days than, have you seen what a bag of Ruffles cost? $6. So might be making our own potato chips if anybody wants potato chips. So here's my freeze-dry wholesaler haul for, this was a few weeks. Like every 2 weeks I get 3. So I got the freeze-dried corned beef. I got the freeze-dried beef stew cubes. And this stuff is so light, I just put it in one of those big square storage containers. Freeze-dried boneless, skinless, uncooked chicken thighs. Freeze-dried sliced ham. My husband loves ham. Some freeze-dried meatballs. Some more freeze-dried egg rolls. We still need to try those and see how they are. And another package of the freeze-dried mirepoix, which is carrot, celery, and onion. So that is my haul for today. I'm going to get all this stuff put up, packaged up, shelved up, and all the things. So I hope you all are doing well, surviving the mosquitoes if you're getting all of this rain. This rain is insane. It's supposed to dry out after tonight. We have storms tonight, and then it's supposed to dry out. So my water barrels are overflowingly full. So when it's dried out and my plants need water, I'll just water them with that. So you all take care, you stay safe, you stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video. And I will put that article about the recall on the tires in the description box below.